Okay, so this is dimension 3 or DIM-3. And for DIM-3, you need to include the actual measurements. And so for this, one grid, one of these small squares is equal to 3 units. Okay, so first example, I'm gonna do number 1 with you. And as you can see for number 1, this is the best place for us to draw the length or to add the length dimension and also the depth dimension, because in the front view, the features can't be seen even if you could see the edges. All right, so I'll start off here. I'll do the depth first. So I'll go from this edge to this edge. Make sure to leave some space in between. I'm going to draw my arrow and then arrow, and then I'm going to count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 grids. One grid is equal to 3 units, so 4 grids is equal to times 3, 12 units. So I'll put 12, and I'll write it the way you learned how to write numbers. Okay, so that's 12. All right, from this edge to this edge, so I'm gonna extend that and draw my arrowheads and my dimension lines. It says there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, times 3, that would be 12. And then finally, we need the overall depth. So I'm going to extend that line and then draw a line coming from here, from this edge, and then draw my arrow. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 3, that would be 30. All right, so that's how you do this. You need to have 3 dimensions here at the bottom. So 1, 2, and then overall 3 for your length. And then you need 1 dimension, which is the height for on the front view. Okay, number 3. So for number 3, there's 2 circles on the top view, and then you have a rectangle here for your front view. So again, any circle, when it's translated as a, or orthographically projected as a rectangle, that's where you have the dimension. So that outermost circle will have to be dimensioned down here. And then arrow, arrow. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times 3. That would be 48. First, you need to add the diameter symbol and then 4, 8. And I believe that there's a mistake here. So this hidden line should have been put here. Okay. All right. You need to dimension the height. So I'll leave that to you. So go put the dimension for the height. But the last thing that you have to add for number 3 is the dimension for this inner circle. So I could draw my leader line this way, 45 degrees diagonal line, then going outside of the circle, and then put my diameter symbol, and let's count. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3. So this is 24. All right, now that I've given you 2 examples, I believe you could do numbers 2 and 4 on your own.